Hello. Here we are answering Domo questions past midnight. I have friends that are gamers and they are staying up till 2 a.m., 4 a.m. playing Call of Duty or whatever they're playing. And here I am answering Domo questions. How our lives have diverged. Okay, anyway, this question is from G. Brown. It says transforming a 6-digit integer to a date when bad values are involved. Okay, cool. I have a data set with chunks of bad data in it. To get the MFG data, I pulled whatever that is. I pulled the first 6 digits of the serial number to get a date. Sure. And I have some data that has stuff like a B in it, 06B378, whatever. And I need to go about excluding bad data, like get rid of the number that has a B in it or whatever, and convert everything else into a date. Awesome. Cool. So here is an example. I made a fake data set that has 3 digits in it, or 3 values in it. 062818, 1214, 121814, 06B378. So we have to go figure out, we got to do a couple things. We have to go figure out, hey, which values have a letter in it. Okay? So Domo has some really cool SQL functions that aren't usually even in SQLs. That's pretty cool. So we're going to pick on, watch this. If I hit string, you can see a bunch of stuff in here, right? We could do contains, some other stuff, but we're not going to, because I don't want to put contains A, contains B, contains C. I don't want to write all that out. We're going to try to make our life easy. We're going to try to do this guy, str remove digits. So I'm going to do date temp per how you had it. Look at that. Okay, so now all this is going to do, you're going to see, is going to remove any numbers. That's it. And you might be asking, well, what does this do? Well, hold on and we'll find out. So if I go to preview, there we go. I could see this is a number, this number, or all the numbers removed. Oh, something had a B in it. It means this is bad, right? So now we're going to do something called a nested formula. A nested formula. I'm going to say case when. And I like good indentation. Case when that thing, that string removed digits, blah, 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 equals to single quotes. This means blank or empty string, right? Then go give it a 1. Otherwise, just don't do anything. End it. Let's run that preview again. Boom. All right, cool. So now we have a 1 or we have a null, which is what we wanted. Cool. And now we can start to say, all right, we figured out the values that are numeric. Cool. So now we could do another nested formula. And here is what I'm going to tell you. Old school SQL, if you are used to writing old school SQL, you have to put it all in one big shot. And we're not going to do that. We could totally nest this again and make a date out of it and all that other, but make your life easy. Let's just do this. So I'm going to rename this test. I'm going to call it date format or numeric format flag, whatever. Numeric format flag. Okay, whatever. Give me a 1 if it's numeric. If it's not, give me a 0. So we already figured that out. We got a 1 there. I'm just going to reference, I don't know, numerican. I just saw that. I'm going to reference the top formula instead in my second formula, just to make our life easier. So I'm going to call this one date. Cool, easy. I'm going to say this. Case when numeric, oh, I'm sorry. Boom, 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 right. Give me 1 second. Numeric format flag. Can I get that in there? Save as, let's see, is that going to work? Maybe it's not going to work. I thought it was. I've done this before. Case when, let's see. Let's try this out. Let's open you up. Yeah, it is there. Duh. I don't know why. Okay, I'm being an idiot. All right, cool. Case when numeric format flag equals a 1. Now we can make a date out of something. Cool. So we're going to say this. Concat, we're going to say cast first. Cast, you're going to see what this is going to do. And now we can get to work. Case concat. All right, cool. So first we're gonna go build a date. Okay. So I'm gonna go concat some numbers together. And some numbers together are, I'm gonna put 20 in a single quote because that's gonna be, we're starting the year off with 20 something. All right. And I'm gonna go get the year that you have first, which is, I'm gonna pick right. I know you're probably like, what is going on right now? I'm gonna pick right, which means go take that uh, value that you had there and go pick the last 2 digits. Cool. All right, we got right. Awesome. So that gives me my year. I'm gonna put a dash to separate the month. Cool. I'm gonna go get a month in here, which is gonna be my, I'm starting from the left now instead of the right, which means starting from the right, go give me 2 digits. But I'm gonna start from the left now. Say, go give me those 2 digits. Beautiful, cool. And watch this. I'm just gonna put a one. I know we have a date in there, but I just want to put a one right now, just so you can see what I'm doing. Then concat this whole thing, and I'm gonna do as dates. So this cast is like cast a spell. Go cast this thing as a date. So hey, when that numeric format flag equals a one, go do this weirdo thing. Otherwise, don't do anything. Just say end. Congrats in this case when numeric format flag equals one. Syntax error. Okay, I got a syntax error. I gotta go figure this thing out. Case when, I gotta put a word then. Okay, case when that thing equals a one, then go do all this junk. Cool. And you know what helps out with indentation? Putting them right underneath each other. It's kind of like in math when you want to put the equal signs right underneath each other. Okay, case when that thing equals one, then go do all that other junk. Else, we don't need to write the word else though, because we're just gonna write end. Cool. All right. Come on, buddy. Green is good. Let's go save and close. Let's go run a preview and let's go pray as we do this. All right. So let's go see. Ooh, I got an error. Did I get an error actually? Or is that just from there? Oh, because I need an output. I'm sorry. It's late. Okay. Let's go put that. I needed something for it to connect to. It was just like I have nothing, so it was crapping out. Let's go see. Good. Green is good. Let's go see. Look at that. We got a date in here, a month, but we have a day in here. We want that to be the 28th, and we want this one to be the 18th. So we're getting close. We're almost there. All we have to do is we have to change one more thing. We are going to get rid of that one. Cool. Now the right formula says, hey, go start from the right and go take the two digits from the right. The left formula says go take the left and go take the 2 digits from the right. In Excel, there is a formula called mid, but that does not exist in SQL. Instead, we are going to use substring right here. Substring is very similar. We're going to say go get me the date thing, whatever, and tell me when to start. So we're going to say there are 2 digits for the month, so we don't want to start on that one. We want to start on 1, 2, the third digit. Cool. And how far do you want me to go? 2 more digits. So we're starting on the third digit. You'll see what I'm talking about. And then go take the third and the fourth one. And we should be good. Validate. Green is good. Pow, pow, pow. Close it up. Let's go here. Sure, why not? Let's go pull the whole thing and run a preview. All right. Okay, did we do it? Did we do it? Did we do it? Boom, boom, pow, there we go. And we just made it a date. So we took the values that have a B or whatever in there, character, found the ones that don't have it, and go convert to a date. Good luck to you. There you go. I am going to copy this stuff, I guess. I'll put in the response. Hey, if anybody watching has questions, I have this for you to see. I have a page called Pantry. So dashboard dudes/pantry, where I keep all these videos of me answering stuff. You can go here, check it out, see if that helps you. And if it doesn't, you can write me something. I'll try my best to help you out. Cool. All right. Good luck to you. Bye.